Hey y'all, today I'm just going to do a quick message about what you're learning about, which is the disorder schizophrenia. So this is could be a very heavy topic, and so I don't want you to start getting wrapped up in searching videos that I have not linked you to. There are a few things that I'll put on there if you want to continue. I mean, it's a very interesting disease, but I can put on there some different links that you can go to, but some things that, I just don't think that you would be ready for. Here's what we need to know about schizophrenia. First of all, that it is a real disorder, and a small part of the population has been diagnosed with it. It is necessary for someone who has it to be diagnosed so that they're aware of how to live a healthy life with that. The causes of it are not fully known. It could be genetic factors. It could be emotional trauma related to, could be related to family history. It could be as the brain is developing that it makes too many connections or not enough somewhere along the line. It just is not fully known, but the emotional trauma caused from emotional feelings that we have been talking about in class is another reason that we are discovering this. A lot of times it comes on later in life, or the signs of it come up when like in late 20s or whatever. So here's what you do need to know: that it should be viewed as a disease like any other disease, like diabetes or Parkinson's disease, or something that can get treatment for a person to live a healthy life. So there is a stigma around schizophrenia. There are terms that should not be used to describe somebody with schizophrenia, like crazy or psycho or anything like that, because that is obviously hurtful. And it's a disease where a person, they can't help it, and so there are ways to treat it. The symptoms of this disease seem to be a little far-fetched, and so that's why it makes people uncomfortable or unfamiliar, but it's because they are unfamiliar with it. But basically, you're going to watch a video, 2 videos. I'll put a third one on there just so you can see like the life of a kid or guy who has it. But basically, if you see in the video certain symptoms, do not begin to start stereotyping people just because you see, sorry, I'm on like low power mode. Do not start linking a symptom to somebody that you know, because that is not right. And you need to be sensitive to the fact that this is a real disorder, and that just because a person exhibits a behavior that you see in a video doesn't mean that they have schizophrenia. So that's also a rule. I don't think there's anything else that I need to say about this other than you're going to watch these 2 videos, and then you're going to answer the questions that you see that's on class links, Google Classroom or something. I get all those confused. So if you have questions about schizophrenia, or if you have questions about any of these, please feel free to message me. I'm going to put my remind up also. Okay. Have a good one.